video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to transfer your USDT from your Bybit account to any other wallet. So guys, don't waste much of your time. Let's dive right into the video. So this is my Bybit account and this is my balance right here. So at the bottom, you can see the assets icon. So when you click on the assets icon just like this, if you want to transfer your USDT from your Bybit to any other wallet, all you need to do is to click right here where you can see withdraw. So when you do that, go ahead and select USDT. So when you select USDT, you need to paste the wallet address you want to send it to right here, and also the network type. Now let's take for instance the network type you want to use to transfer the USDT from your Bybit to any other wallet is, let's say, TRC20, which is the general and most known network. So let's go ahead and select TRC20, which is the well-known network which delivers very fast. So right here you can see address, you can see network, you can see where you can input your amounts. So in order for you to transfer your USDT from your Bybit to any other wallet, you need to go to the wallet. Now let's take for instance you want to transfer it to your Binance. You need to go to your Binance just like this and click on the asset icon found at the bottom of the screen. So when you do that, right here you need to click on spot. You can see spot at the top here. Click on spot, then click on add funds. So when you click on add funds, you're going to see on-chain deposits received from Binance user, buy with USD, P2P trading. So you need to select on-chain deposits. Select on-chain deposit just like this. Then go ahead and select USDT or search for USDT if you are not seeing USDT right there. So remember, the wallet address and the network we want to use is TRC20. So I'm going to select TRC20 just like this. Then go ahead and click on copy in order to copy the deposit address. So when you do that, you can go back right here on your Bybit and paste the wallet address right here. So you need to make sure that the wallet address you are sending it to and the one you selected on your Bybit is the same. That is what you need to take note of. No matter the type of network you want to actually use, you need to make sure that the both of them are actually the same. So let's take for instance the amount is 1. Alright, my USDT right here is not showing because they are not actually available on my funding account. So I'm going to quickly go back right here on my Bybit. Looking, I can see that it was moved into invested product. So you need to be sure of where your USDT is before making a transfer. So right here I'm going to actually unstake it. So right here I'm going to actually click on it and unstake it. Then move it to my funding account. Then click on unstake and click on confirm. So if yours is on unified, you won't be able to send it as well. So I'm going to click on withdraw once more, select USDT, then paste the wallet address I've copied on my Bybit right here. Then select the TRC20 network and input the amount. Now let's say for instance I want to transfer the whole thing. Looking here, you can see the amount right here. So right here you can see receive amount. If you click on setting right there, so if you click on the setting option, they're going to ask you if you want the network charges to be debited from the current money you want to transfer to the other wallet, or you want it to be debited from your balance on your Bybit account. So you can go ahead and select the first one if you don't want it to be debited from the money you want to transfer, but from the balance you have in your Bybit. So after selecting it, right here at the bottom, you can see where it says withdraw. So when you click on withdraw just like this, you need to confirm and copy the code that is going to be sent to your Google Authenticator, paste it right here in order to confirm your transaction, and you'd be able to transfer the USDT to the other wallet. So this is how simple it is to transfer USDT from your Bybit to any other wallet of your choice. Hope you found this video helpful. Now like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.